In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare HoneyBook plans. Pricing Overview 2026. We'll walk through exactly where to find HoneyBook's built-in plan comparison, so you can quickly see what's included in Starter, Essentials, and Premium, and decide which one fits your needs. First, open your browser and go to honeybook.com. Click Log In and sign into your account. If you're prompted for any security verification, like a code or confirmation on your device, complete that to continue. Keep your login details private and only enter them on the official site. After you sign in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your home base for projects, invoices, and tasks. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation bar. We'll use this sidebar to get to the plan comparison. Look along that left sidebar for settings. It may appear as a gear icon or labeled settings, depending on your layout. Click Settings to open the settings area. From here, select Company. This section holds key account and business level options. Inside Company, click Membership. This page shows your current plan and the plans available to your account. Here's where HoneyBook typically lists Starter, Essentials, and Premium, along with a summary of what you have now. To compare the plans in detail, look for the Compare Plans option on this page and click it. This opens a side-by-side breakdown of features and pricing, so you can evaluate differences clearly. If you don't see it right away, scroll to the bottom of the membership page or check for a link beneath the plan descriptions. On the comparison view, take your time. Check whether there's a monthly versus annual toggle, since annual billing often reflects a lower per month price. Review which features scale between plans, such as automations, templates, scheduling tools, file and contract capabilities, client experience features, and team collaboration options. Look for any notes or tooltips that explain limits or usage caps. Be sure to confirm currency, taxes, and any separate payment processing fees, as those can affect your total cost even if they aren't part of the plan price. If your business is growing, consider whether the next plan up includes headroom for your expected workload, like additional automations or expanded customization. Interfaces evolve over time, so if your layout looks slightly different, stay within Settings, then Company, and locate Membership. The Compare Plans link will be there. Once you've reviewed the details, you'll have what you need to confidently choose the plan that fits your workflow and budget.